Welcome back. Guess what? I finally got the convertible top to my 986 fixed, kind of. So what happened is that I went to get another one and that deal fell through. Then turns out my buddy, who I should have asked in the first place, had an extra one of these and sold it to me for 500 bucks. That's pretty cheap. But an issue that I'm having is that inside of here, while I do have this closed, there's two bars that move this up and down. And unfortunately, it's hitting this canvas here and getting stuck and then blowing out the fuse. I've gone through like 3 fuses. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go through all the pieces that I can go through, starting with the shifter, because the shifter is all sorts of messed up. So I have this 987 shifter and I'm gonna see if I can replace it in here. And if it does, it's gonna be awesome because it throws a little shorter than the regular one. So we'll see how it goes. I forgot how many hidden screws there were, because there's one where this one sits under, right here. There's one under here, which sits under here. And then this one has another one hidden down here. Now that I got the whole console out, I'm gonna take out a couple of these and then get these 4 bolts out. Oh, there's a cover here. Get these 4 bolts out and switch it over. So it looks like this all lines up with the hole, so we're going to screw that back in and we're going to see how well this does on its own. So getting this back together was a huge pain. I should have looked at it. But now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. Reverse is still a little iffy, I think. Hold on. 4, no, 5, reverse. I think that's reverse. I don't know if that's reverse or not. We should probably find out. This is gonna be fun since I got no seats. And I have reverse. Now it's time to put everything back together. Okay, so the next thing on the list is this piece here, and we're gonna get that and replace it and make sure that we can close this, because otherwise it's gonna keep breaking. And I'm gonna do these one at a time, that way the convertible top doesn't come up and down while I'm working on it. Also, double check your part numbers, because this one is actually for the driver's side, not the passenger side. Now that we got all the parts there, we're going to see if it opens and closes the way it's supposed to. Don't forget to take it out of service mode. Success! I think at this point it's time we can put the seats back in. That looks so much better with a seat. It's a little torn, but it'll do the job. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. There is gonna be more coming up, and if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button, or you can check out one of these videos here. I don't know what it is, I haven't decided yet, but if you hit it, it's really good for the algorithm, it helps me. Bye.